What's up guys, Rich here, and I'm going to unbox my IWC Spitfire. And this is part of IWC's new presentation with the white box here and this leather watch roll. So I know it's been a minute since I last posted, but we just wrapped up Microlux Chicago, and now we are working towards Microlux Austin. So that's just a little bit of an explanation of why I've been a little bit MIA, but I'm glad to be back and sharing this unboxing with you. So this is the okay, it looks like there's a pull tab here. I am curious about this, but we'll look at that a little bit after the watch because I know this is what we want to see. I know this is what I want to see. So this is their watch roll, also really ideal for travel according to their website. And I can see that this is a great travel companion too. This is made of actual calfskin leather. And I hope it's the same leather as on the strap, and I'll explain why. So let's see. Okay, and nice. So let me pull this out. Okay, let's see. Yep. Okay, yeah, really so much nicer in person than in the pictures. And I thought the pictures were really nice. So I am really liking this. I know this is also, it goes by the reference of 6803. Really nice here. So, you know, as we all do whenever we make a significant watch purchase, a lot of decisions go into this, right? So I was looking for a pilot's watch, and I wanted to stay within the IWC family. And there were a couple of options within the IWC family within the Pilot's collection. So this is a Spitfire in 39 millimeters, but I was also looking at their Mark XVIII. That one retails for about $4,500. That's 40 millimeters. So just a hair bigger than the 39 millimeters here. That one uses a 35-111 movement, which is based on a Salida movement with 42 hours of power reserve. And I believe those dial options were in black and white. But I think my Spitfire here more closely resembles their Mark XVIII in titanium. That's also 40 millimeters. That also uses a 35-111 movement. But I think the biggest difference between this and the Mark XVIII Heritage, from what I recall, is this one has that red right above automatic that says Spitfire. So I really like that color of red on the dial. I think that's just it's a simple addition, but I really like it a lot. And I like the gold on the hands and above IWC there. So really nice. Smooth finishing as you would expect from an IWC. This is not the first IWC I've owned, by the way. I've also had their Aqua Timer, but you know, the case is just flawlessly finished. So this is in 39 millimeters, like I said. This retails for $4,800, but there were a couple of reasons why I wanted to get the Spitfire, or why I chose the Spitfire over the Mark XVIII. One is that it also is the in-house movement. This is their 32-110 caliber movement, which is the first time I believe they've used that movement in this watch. It also has 72 hours of power reserve, and I think the thickness on all of these, including the Mark XVIII, is 10.8 millimeters tall. But I also like the history behind the Spitfire. So for what I don't think is a whole lot of difference in the money, $4,800 versus $4,500 or $4,650, I thought for me the Spitfire made more sense, especially because of that in-house movement. But I also like the vintage-inspired look of this dial. I am really in love with this dial. So it's clean, it's nice, and I thought the Mark XVIII was a little bit more on the simpler side, even if I look at the black dial. I like the vintage looks here, and that red, like I said, on the Spitfire. So those were the couple of reasons I opted for the Spitfire over the Mark XVIII. But it was a tough, I was going back and forth for a really long time. So one of the things I mentioned about earlier was the leather. There's their sign buckle, is the leather quality. This, as you can see, they did not skimp on the leather. This is a nice thick piece of calfskin, but it's also made by Santoni shoes, a Santoni leather. So if we know our luxury shoes, we know that Santoni makes some of the most expensive, yet one of the nicest luxurious shoes we can get. And this is the same leather that they use for their shoes. I'm going to give this a whiff. Hold on. really nice, rich smell. You can tell that, even if I didn't know that this was made by Santoni, you could tell that this is a quality leather. It just feels really nice in hand, and it just has a really rich aroma to it. It's not very stiff, so I don't think there's going to be any breaking in period necessary here. It's just, it's really soft as it is. It's not drilled lugs, but really, really nice. I am liking this a lot. But earlier, as I was unboxing this, I did notice this pull tab, right? So let's figure this out. I think it's a pull tab. Okay, yeah. So it's a drawer underneath this box. IWC warranty. And operating instructions. But this is probably a cleaning cloth, is my best guess. Okay, so that's what is under this in here. In the warranty. You know, this is actually quite a nice, really nice storage as it is. I'll probably put this in my watch box, but I might also keep it as is. Really, really nice presentation. I'm just over the moon with this new IWC Spitfire. So thanks for sharing my unboxing moment, and we'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.